No, where are you, Nathan?
Aren't you glad we have oranges?
No, I don't like oranges.
Oranges don't like you.
So do you have a fan so I don't get hot?
Is it your biggest fan?
No.
Hurry up.
What?
What?
What up, loser? You're gonna lose.
Let's play.
Oh shoot! Why this one sucks?
Toss me a gun, please.
Yeah, I'm out.
Pass us. I got Nathan once.
I got Nathan once.
I got hit once.
I got hit in the back.
Oh, no.
I gave Jackie a gun. Hey, Challenging. I have not been shooting at all.
Julianne,
What?
reload this.
Reload
I'm
what?
gonna. Ow! That was in my neck. I think I'm dead actually. Wait, if I'm dead,
No.
Okay, good.
what are my like rules? What? Oh, I can film.
I missed. Up. You missed. What?
I didn't even mean to. Come on, gun. Did you miss again?
Next.
I told you she was coming.
No, she didn't hit me though.
She missed again.
Terrible shot.
Oh, did you get hit?
No.
I told you she was
I
coming.
hit you. Did I?
No.
Yeah. No.
Fail. Nip.
Inbound.
It's not loaded. No, it is. What's wrong? There we go.
Julianne shot me from back there. That's crazy.
I need a
Hunter, if I die, lies. I'll see you later on in life.
Wait.
I have to close the match.
Blue team wins.
Oh my gosh.
This takes too long.
That's what she said.
Shut up.
Oh, so close.
You try kicking me. What do I do? Am I even getting close? Hey, oh sorry, that's the wrong foot. Oh my god. Really? Really, guys? Really? No.
I can't do nothing.
Oh jeez.
This thing isn't even shooting at me when I most need
Oh
to shoot
shoot.
something. Nathan's right there. He's coming towards you. Jeez, I missed. Are you serious?
I suck so bad.
I'm currently taking possession of this camera, so yeah. Oh,
You got hit.
so I'm pretty fucked right now.
Did I hit you? No?
No.
Nathan in or not? Is Nathan in or not?
Oh.
What?
Oh shit.
Oh, I hit you right away. Hey!
Hey!
Huh?
You hit the gun.
How was
You're dead.
Did it hit anyone? Yeah.
I don't know how to use this thing.
Wait.
I can't aim. I can't aim.
I'm out. Please. Ah! Ah!